Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Rosetta Stone versus Duolingo, where we will explore which one is better in 2025. Language learning has become increasingly popular, and with numerous options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right platform. In this tutorial, we will break down the key features, pros, and cons of both Rosetta Stone and Duolingo to help you make an informed decision. First, let's start with Rosetta Stone, a paid language learning platform that offers a comprehensive and structured approach to language learning. Rosetta Stone provides interactive lessons, speech recognition technology, and a focus on grammar and vocabulary building. It supports over 28 languages and is suitable for beginners and advanced learners alike. However, it can be expensive, with a subscription fee of around $20 per month. On the other hand, Duolingo is a free language learning platform that offers a gamified approach to language learning. Duolingo provides interactive lessons, quizzes, and exercises, with a focus on vocabulary and grammar building. It supports over 30 languages and is known for its engaging and motivating approach to language learning. However, it lacks the structure and comprehensive approach of Rosetta Stone, and the free version is ad-supported. In terms of user experience, Rosetta Stone offers a more personalized and immersive experience, with features such as speech recognition technology and interactive lessons. Duolingo, on the other hand, offers a more casual and relaxed approach to language learning, with features such as gamification and social sharing. When it comes to effectiveness, both Rosetta Stone and Duolingo have been shown to be effective in language learning. However, Rosetta Stone is generally considered more effective for comprehensive language learning, while Duolingo is better suited for casual language learning and vocabulary building. In conclusion, the choice between Rosetta Stone and Duolingo depends on your language learning goals and preferences. If you are looking for a comprehensive and structured approach to language learning, Rosetta Stone may be the better choice. However, if you are looking for a free and engaging language learning platform, Duolingo is definitely worth considering. Ultimately, the best language learning platform is one that you enjoy using and that fits your learning style and goals.